Hey Celtophiles! Here's another tutorial on how to break down a 2/4 march so that you can use your practice time efficiently. Première chose, un gros merci à Claude d'avoir commandé ce tutoriel, c'est bien apprécié. If you want a tutorial made for a tune that you're working on, let me know. If my tutorials have helped you along your piping journey, please consider supporting me on Patreon or making a donation on PayPal. You can contact me in the links below. And if you're interested in lessons, be it online or in person if you're in the Montreal area, more information is on my website. As a music teacher, I spend a lot of time, both in lessons as well as in my own personal practice, slowing things way down, isolating the hardest part of a piece and breaking it down to a manageable level. For example, I find the beginning of part 4 in Highland Laddie to be the hardest, so we'll use that as a warm-up, but feel free to pause the video, pick your own warm-up spots, and if you have to play Highland Laddie with a band, then as you bring that little spot up to tempo, you can decide if you want to keep all the embellishments in or not, if you can still play it cleanly at the full band tempo. So go grab your practice chanter and come practice along with me, but just a reminder, do make sure to practice on your own as well, really listening critically to yourself with a metronome without playing along with anybody else. Now let's put just the beginning of part 4 on the practice chanter. 1, 2, 1, and 2. 1, and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 'Little faster. 50 beats per minute. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And if anywhere along the way you feel like it's getting past the limit of your comfortable tempo, pause the video, go practice it on your own, just keep going at that speed. I'm gonna carry on just for the sake of time. So next we'll do 60 beats per minute. There we go. Ready? 1, 2. Last one. Now that we've isolated that spot, let's practice the whole 4th part, making sure it still flows smoothly. 1, 2. Okay, time to run through the whole tune. We'll start slow, nice open embellishments. If you find it's getting too fast, as always, pause the video, go practice by yourself, spend a week practicing it by yourself. Practice just one part for a week. Whatever pace works for you. come back and speed it up gradually as needed. We'll go 40, 50, and then 60. Okay? Time for the whole tune. 40 beats per minute. Take a good deep breath. This will be a long one. Ready? 1, 2. "50 beats per minute. Ready? 1, 2. Next, 60. Ready? 1, 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, happy practicing.